Alright, so VCR, which hooked up my big screen. May look like it's the same, but if I may, because I had trouble trying to get the Atari to respond with this, with the VCR. Hang on. Alright, so now the thing is, I may need to get a new VCR because of the picture. Because the picture looks a little like crap, but got to work on this through the VCR. And this is the reason why. It's because if I reach over here, it's because of this little device. Whoops. This is a RCA to HDMI adapter powered by USB. It takes signals from RCA and converts it to HDMI. Here's a switch, which converts it to 720p, but I have it on 1080. So now I have my Atari working, but like I said, I probably need to get a new VCR. And also have the PlayStation hooked up to it. So now the picture looks good, and I press the info, 1080p. You know, for a Chinese, for it being Chinese, I'm actually very impressed with how it's performing. I mean, it being in 1080p, I'm actually thoroughly impressed. But probably need to get a new VCR so the Atari can actually have as clear a picture as it is hooked up to that. Thank you guys for watching.